The Lord of the Rings Tactics.
Developer Electronic Arts Amaze Entertainment.
Aedis Eclipse, Generation of Chaos.
Developer Idea Factory.
Dynasty Warriors Strikeforce.
Developer Omega Force Tecmo Koei.
Puzzle Quest Challenge of the Warlords.
Puzzle Quest Challenge of the Warlords. Warhammer 40,000 Squad Command. LocoRoco.
Patapon 2.
Developer SC Japan Studio. More Patapon 250 of 52. The best God games of all time. 9 of 30 underrated PSP games that are definitely worth revisiting.
Field Commander.
Developer Sony Online Entertainment. Mind Control Software.
Metal Gear Solid Portable Ops.
Developer Kojima Productions, Konami.
Spectral Souls, Resurrection of the Ethereal Empires.
Developer Neverland, Idea Factory. More Spectral Souls.
Worms Open Warfare 2.
Developer Two Tribes B. Team 17 Software.
Wild Arms XF.
Developer Media. Vision. More Wild Arms XF 62 of 156. The best tactical role-playing games of all time. 32 of 80. The best PlayStation portable RPG of all time. 16 of 62. The best Western games of all time. Metal Gear Acid 2.
Tom Clancy's EndWar.
Tom Clancy's EndWar.
Metal Gear Acid.
Metal Gear Acid. Romance of the Three Kingdoms. Roman 7. Harvest Moon Hero of Leaf Valley.
Shining Blade.
Developer Media. Vision. SD Gundam G Generation Overworld.
Gungnir.
Developer Sting Entertainment.
Disgaea 2 Cursed Memories.
Disgaea 2 Cursed Memories.
Metal Gear Solid Peace Walker.
Developer Kojima Productions. Kojima Productions.
Disgaea Afternoon of Darkness.
Developer Nippon Software.
Jeanne Dark.
Developer Level 5. Final Fantasy Tactics. The War of the Lions.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.